Class 6 English Chapter 2 The Raven and the Fox NCERT Question and Answers. The Raven and the Fox. Let's do these activities before we read. Mr. Raven was perched upon a limb, and Reynard the fox looked up at him. What the raven held in his great big beak, a morsel the fox would go far to seek. Said the fox in admiring tones, "My word, Sir Raven, you are a handsome bird. Such feathers, if you would sing, only sing. The birds of these woods would call you king." The raven, who did not see the joke, forgot that his voice was just a croak. He opened his beak in foolish pride, and down fell the morsel the fox had eyed. "Ha ha!" laughed the fox. "And now you know, ignore sweet words that make you glow. Pride, my friend, is rather unwise. I am sure this teaching is quite surprise." Let us discuss. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Stanza 1. Bird, Reynard, a piece of food. Stanza 2. Good looking, sing, woods. Stanza 3. Forgot, sing, food. Stanza 4. Laughed, wise, lesson. Read the poem again and match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Column A, column B. Preached, sat on a branch. Morsel, a piece of food. Seek, to look for something. Pride, feeling that you are better than others. Eyed, looked with interest at something. Limb, branch of a tree. Woods, a smaller area of forest with similar kinds of trees. Let us think and reflect. 1. Look at the pictures and number them in the order that they happen in the poem. 2, 4, 1, 3. Read the following lines and answer the question that follows. 1. Shiny and beautiful. 2. Why were the birds of the woods called the Raven King? The Raven and the Fox. Unit 1. Fables and Fox Tales. Let us think and reflect. 2. 1. Shiny and beautiful. 2. The birds of the woods would call the Raven King because of he would sing. In addition to have beautiful feathers, he would be considered the best among them. 3. The fox addressed the Raven King as so to flatter him and make him feel proud, thereby tricking him into opening his beak. Why does the raven forget that his voice was just a croak? The raven forget that his voice was just a croak because he is flattered by the fox's praise and proud after hearing the fox's compliments. How does Reynard make the raven sing? Reynard makes the raven sing by flattering him, saying that he is a handsome bird and would be the king if he could sing. Why does Reynard say that pride is not wise? Reynard says that pride is not wise because being too proud can make you foolish things like the raven opening his beak and losing his food. Give one reason why the teaching is quite a surprise. The teaching is quite a surprise because the raven did not expect to be tricked by the fox's compliments and lose his food. Imagine someone's praising you too much. How would you react? If someone's praising me too much, I would be conscious and try to understand their intentions. I would appreciate their compliments but stay humble and not let them make overly proud. Let's just learn. Write the rhyming words from the poem. One has been done for you. Stanza 1. Limb, hem, beak, seek. Stanza 2. Word, bird, sing, king. Stanza 3. Joke, croak, pride, eyed. Stanza 4. No, glow, wise, surprise. Study the underlined words in the poem. A. Big beak. B. Song of sweets. Alliteration. Now pick another example of alliteration from stanza 2. Answer. Wood, wood. 3rd. Choose the correct options from the box given below and complete the table. Preached, flew, forgot, remember, foolish, wise, pride, humility, laughed, cried, ignore, notice, glow, dim. Choose the correct options from the box given below. Sentences. The bird flew away from the tree. She remembered the important meeting just in time. The wise old man gave us some valuable advice. Let us listen. You will listen to what the crow did after he lost his food. As you listen, mark the given sentence statements as true or false. Refer page number 37 for transcription. The crow was unhappy that he lost his food. True. B. The crow thought his loving feathers made him smart. False. C. The crow wanted to tell his friends not to be proud. True. Origami is the art of folding objects out of paper to create both two-dimensional and three-dimensional objects. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe.